Item 713. Cleaning and sealing joints and cracks. Concrete pavement. 1. Description. Clean and seal joints and cracks in concrete pavement. 2. Materials. Furnish sealant, boards, and backer rods in accordance with DMS 6310, joint sealants and fillers. The sealant must be type 4, 5, 7, or 8 unless otherwise shown on the plans and specifications. Furnish primer when required by the sealant manufacturer. 3. Equipment. Use equipment that meets the sealant manufacturer's recommendations. Furnish equipment capable of placing the sealant, backer rods, and boards as detailed on the plans. Furnish equipment capable of removing all foreign material from the concrete joint or the grooved crack. The following equipment is recommended to meet cleaning and sealing requirements. Power concrete saw. Sandblasting equipment. Power router. High pressure air, and sealant dispenser. 4 work methods. Use dimensions shown for joint details in standard drawing concrete paving details, joint seals, unless other dimensions are shown on the plans. Make a groove, follow the cracks to be sealed, and route the groove approximately 1/2 inches deep times 5/8 inches wide, unless otherwise directed or shown on the plans. The engineer will select joints and cracks to be cleaned and sealed. Remove all foreign material from the joint or groove reservoir. Clean the joint by sandblasting or other approved methods. If directed, saw joint sides to remove embedded foreign material in the concrete that sandblasting will not remove. Do not place sealant when the concrete pavement is below 55 degrees Fahrenheit or above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not place sealant in a wet or damp joint or groove. Use approved drying method if joints or grooves are sealed within 24 hours of rain. Apply primer when required by the sealant manufacturer. Blow out joint or groove with high pressure air or other approved methods before placing sealant. Remove and replace sealant when placed flush with or above the pavement surface. The different types of joints and cracks are described in Table 1. Table 1. Types of joints and cracks requirements. Joint or crack type and requirement. Transverse contraction joints requires backer rods and sealants. Longitudinal contraction joint requires sealant. Longitudinal construction joint requires sealant. Expansion joints requires boards, backer rods, and sealant. Cracks in jointed concrete pavement requires sealant. 5. Measurement. Joint cleaning and sealing will be measured by the foot of joint cleaned and sealed. Crack cleaning and sealing will be measured by the foot of crack cleaned and sealed. 6. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured in accordance with measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for joint sealing and cleaning of the type specified, or crack cleaning and sealing.